In this video, I'm going to show you how to add admin on Facebook. For some reason, you want an additional help to your Facebook handling, but you don't know how. I'm going to show you quick steps on how to get it done. On your Facebook app, navigate to your profile icon on the top right corner and make sure you select on pages. Then proceed to select the particular page that you want to add the extra admin to it. In my case, I want to select on Mubarick MD on YouTube. Then on this interface, I have to proceed to toggle on Mubarick MD on YouTube. So now that we have successfully landed on our Mubarick MD on YouTube page, we have to proceed to click on the top right corner. Then you need to scroll down till you locate settings and privacy and click on it. Then you have to proceed to click on settings. On this interface, proceed to click on page settings. Then again on this interface, you have to scroll down till you locate new page experience. Then proceed to click on page access. So you have two options, whether we should click on people with Facebook access or people with tax access. So in my case, I'm going to proceed to click on add new beside the people with Facebook access. So this will give us further descriptions on what our actions means. So in my case, I'm going to proceed to click on next. So you can either search the person that you want to grant the access to by name or email address. So in my case, I'm going to proceed to type Mark Zuckerberg and proceed to click the one with this best match. As you rightly see, Mark Zuckerberg will be able to create, manage or delete posts or stories on this page, and he will also be able to send and respond messages as the page and do other sort of other activities. So in my case, if I'm okay with all the access that I'm going to give it to, then I'll proceed to give access. And you can also additionally allow this person to also have full access control. And if you toggle this on, what happens is that the person will also be able to remove any other page, including you yourself. So once you are comfortable with it, you can proceed to give access. So when we land on this interface, for your security, you have to enter your Facebook profile password. Now the invitation has been sent and it expires in 31 days. If later you have a change of mind and you want to cancel this invitation, you have to navigate to this interface, and beside Mark Zuckerberg on this three dot, click on it, then proceed to click on cancel invitation. So this will cancel the access invitation that has been previously sent. If you enjoyed this content, consider hitting the like button and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.